In this video, we're continuing to warm up our shoulders and our spine. We're going through a sequence that brings gentle articulation to our joints, but also stretches out those major muscles in the spine and the shoulders. So I'll get you to stand in a comfortable parallel position, having our toes facing forward, and just bring our arms down by the side, standing nice and tall in your back. We take a breath in, breath out. We turn our palms out from the bottom. We're going to slowly extend up through our arms, lifting up through the chest. So stretch high, fingertips touch at the top as I inhale, and then slowly exhale, exhale, exhale to the bottom. I press through my legs, and like a wave traveling through the body, I lift up through my chest, stretching high to the ceiling as I inhale, and then gently coming down through the front of the body, exhale, exhale, exhale. Arms extend high, lifting through the back as we inhale, stretching high, tall through the waist, and then gently bringing the arms down, pressing down on the shoulders as I bring the arms down. Last time, I lift up like a wave traveling from the earth up through the body. I interlock my hands and I press high towards the ceiling, really lifting through the chest here, pressing firmly through the palms of the hands as we inhale. Exhale, bringing your head forward. Now from there, without sticking my bottom out, I lightly tuck my tail under and firm my navel center gently. Taking a breath here. Exhale. Now we want to cast our gaze to the floor, and we're going to lift our heels up slightly, finding balance there on the legs. So it's strong legs, strong thighs, strong buttocks, activating those muscle groups. Taking a breath here. Squeezing the shins towards one another, activating the inner thighs. And then we'll lower those heels down. We're going to bring our hands behind our head here, interlocking our fingers, we breathe in. Now draw my elbows into shoulder width, and I press my elbows high to the sky, a little arch of the upper chest. Pressing the elbows high to activate the armpits as I breathe in. We're going to lightly bend our knees and just a little curve of the upper chest. Head towards the chin, stretching the back of the neck. I take a breath in. Hands interlock at the top. Bringing your right leg out. Right hand grabs your left wrist. We lift tall in the spine as we breathe in. Now we're going to exhale, bend to your right. So big stretch out, flexing your side waist. Getting that nice move through the spinal wall. Take a breath here. Exhale, coming up tall. Other hand grabs, so that left hand grabs the wrist. We're going to take that left leg out, lifting tall in your body. Breath here. And we side bend over towards our left, feeling that nice length come to the right side of the body, the right torso. Take a breath here, and then back to center. Bringing your hands down, now we're going to interlock our hands behind the back. So I retract my shoulders, chin in, I bend my knees, so tailbone comes out, I take my shoulders away from my ears, and I look through my legs, trying to really squeeze my shoulder blades together to release the back of the neck and the shoulders. Take a little breath here. Exhale, and then we roll up. Now this is a tricky part. We come to the eagle arms. Basically what we're doing is putting the right elbow onto the left, wrapping our arms together like that. Now if that's a bit too strong, all you need to do is just grab that left hand and take the shoulder across the body like that, and that's going to stretch the outer tricep area. Watch the shoulders not in the ear, so you're pressing that down. So from the sides, the eagle looks something like that. Elbows at shoulder height. I want to take my elbows across to the left somewhat. So I'm twisting my elbows to the left, and I'm going to bend my knees. From the side, I'll show you from the side, we're going to bring our left toe tip forward, not letting my bottom stick out. I tuck my tail under slightly and going to raise my left knee up. So my elbows are wanting to twist to the left, but my navel's wanting to twist to the right. So I get some core activation there. If I feel confident and steady, I would stretch that left leg forward, but if that's a bit tricky, I just keep it elevated with a bent knee. Take a breath here. Exhale, lowering that down. We've got our second side, so left arm on top, hands to prayer, lifting up high through the back. We're going to lightly bend our knees, and we tuck our tailbone under, firming the lowest, deepest abdominals. I want you to sweep your elbows to your right, and then we're going to bring our right toe tip forward, and that just stops the hips from kind of sliding all around the place. So tail tucks, I find my steadiness in that supporting leg, the left leg, and I raise my right knee up slightly, stabilizing my body through a bent left knee just to bring strength to the buttock and the thigh. Take a breath here. Take a breath here. Exhale. and we release the leg down. We're going to bring the hands to the hips, bring your legs out wide, left to right. This is kind of like a skating motion. I'm skating my body from left to right, so one leg straight, one leg bent, and that's just a nice way to warm up the knees through movement. If I feel confident that I can bring some spinal movement into that, I'm just gently twisting my body from left to right, so the body twists on the side that the leg is bending. So I bend my outer leg, and that's the side that my arms are twisting. If I can, I look behind, 1, 2, then look in front, 3, 4. Look behind, 1, 2, front, 3, 4. This just stops us from getting giddy if we're twisting our head too fast. 2 to the front, 2 to the back. And then to center, bringing our feet in, standing nice and tall through the spine. Little breath in. Exhale. That completes our shoulder spinal warm-up.